Oh, you actually did it?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I did.
Blooper, you guys. Okay.
What is your name or your business name?
First and last name?
Yeah.
Tatiana Gonzalez.
Nice. And what did you like most from tonight's event?
I liked the value that Tom brought. It was very real and true. You don't get a lot of grit and honesty with a lot of people, you know?
Nice. How will you apply what you learned?
Definitely try to pre-script things before, but go into it with enthusiasm, you know? Sometimes people...
What? What were you going to say?
No.
Go ahead, say it.
No.
I loved it. I'm sorry. I was acknowledging it and then I cut you off. I'm sorry.
Where is this going? Hold on, I didn't know where this goes. Let's cut again. Let's get action.
All right. How will you apply what you learned?
Well, scripts before cold calling. Definitely bringing that enthusiasm and outgoing personality to each call that you do based on his explanations.
Nice. And what did you think of Mr. Tom Cummings?
He was something, wasn't he? No, he was definitely a ball of joy. Definitely being true and honest with every answer that he spit out.
Nice. And in your words, how would you describe these workshops?
In my own words, knowledgeable, true, honest, and you can't put into words how much value these bring. It's impossible to really describe unless you're here, you know, because it hits you with a force.
Nice. And will you be back for future workshops?
Oh, absolutely.
Great. Good job.